Right, Monday. Gonna check in with the apprentice and see how he's doing here. What's going on today, Mr. Perkins?
Just like almost every other day right now, digging out these screws.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
can honestly say, if you're staining anything and maybe painting a dock, you want to paint it first, then put your screws in.
Oh, okay. So you were doing it backwards before then?
Well, I've always done it backwards.
Oh, okay.
Ralph, you know.
Yeah. Is Donna your woman?
Donna, yeah.
Yeah, she was commenting on your video here, the one that got posted yesterday.
Oh.
About it's from a couple weeks ago. You're practicing pounding bolts into holes, and I said to well, he's going to go home and he's going to practice this weekend.
Yeah.
And she laughed at that, thought it was pretty good. So
Right
anyways,
on.
yeah, well, there you go.
See you soon, sweetheart.
Yeah, there you go. So we've got one apprentice here, and then the other apprentice. Are you guys going to play nice, or are you going to get into a fist fight?
I'm talking to my union about this.
Okay.
Gonna be some changes.
Apprentice level 2 and then the level 1.
Told me I couldn't grow a beard.
Oh, yeah, well,
Hey.
you got,
Two different sets of rules here.
yeah, well, clean shaven with, but otherwise,
I mean, who looks like a mechanic here? Really?
yeah. Well, you get what you get these days. So,
Right.
it's not like the old days.
I'm on holidays right now.
Yeah, okay.
Springtime's coming. I might have to
So-
shave her off pretty soon.
Well, we got the razor here, so we give everybody the same haircut.
Watch.
Oh, yeah.
You can line you up with the dogs. Be careful.
Yeah.
Better watch out what I'm drinking and then after work. Hey?
Yeah.
I'll show you what we need here.
Okay, we're gonna go check in with Dad here while the apprentices have a good chat. Oh, so we got the transmission.
I put the transmission up here and I put this lock on so the torque can't come out.
Okay.
So anyway, this is a brand new torque, but no bolts come with this, and they're a special bolt. Like they have a flange on the outside.
Okay.
So anyway, I'm stumped there. I ordered the part. And then, or those are nuts, I should say. And there's 6 bolts goes into the end of the crankshaft there to fasten the flex plate.
Okay.
And they're a special bolt and a special torque. So I got that ordered now, and I'm stumped again.
Okay.
Now this bracket here is the mount for the brake, eh?
Yeah.
So I got to fit this up and see how it works. The brake that he sent me, the caliper, won't work on this, eh?
Okay. Well, order the right brake caliper then.
Well, I have one stopped.
Okay. So you're just waiting on parts here.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna bolt this up. So you weld your rotor on here, and that slides in, and then the caliper mounts on here to squeeze this. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what it's all about.
Okay.
So once I get this, then I can fasten it to the motor, and then we can keep going.
Okay.
It's always parts. Eh?
Yeah. Okay. Well.
This is the new flex plate that goes on the end of the crankshaft. And
Okay.
Then these bolts here go in like this to
Okay.
run the starter. Eh?
Yeah. Okay.
So no parts, can't do nothing.
Okay. So
So I'll get the
distributor in.
new
Oh,
heater in there.
have you want me to bring it down from upstairs?
Yeah, you can. The
Okay.
distributor's in.
Okay.
I just gotta take the plugs out, turn it over, find number 1, and then put the wires up.
Okay.